In this question, we have a look at troubleshooting the node. In this case, it's not possible to schedule any pods on the node. We have to find out what's wrong with the node and fix the issue. Let's first check the status of the node. And as you can see, scheduling is disabled. And here also the same message. So let's fix this. Let's uncode the node and make it shadowable again. And that's done. And of course we verify it. Yes, as you can see, it's fixed. And let's check the YAML file of the pod before we deploy it. And also the node name is correct. So let's deploy it. Done. And now let's verify. And it's also deployed on the correct node. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.